Hi again, English 2 students. Welcome back to your quarter 3 academic words. Let's get started. Okay, so for today's word, the first Awod of this quarter, quarter 3, is involve. Let's go over the syllables. Let's get a red pen. Involve has two syllables. Involve. Involve. Once more, involve. Involve. Now your turn to pronounce it. Did you say involve? Great job. En español es involucrar. What part of speech are we going to be using this word as a verb? You got it. Make sure that when you're writing your sentence, you're using it as a verb. Familiar words. Familiar words are words that come from involve, that are created from involve, okay, from this word above, okay, from the base or root word. And we have involvement, used as a noun, uninvolved or involved, used as an adjective. Synonyms. Synonyms are words that are spelled different but have the same definition, have the same meaning. In this case, include, comprise, and contain. Again, include, comprise, contain, have the same meaning or similar meaning as involve. Okay, you can use any of these words to substitute involve. Okay, when you are writing in an essay, another sentences, etc. But make sure that when you're writing your own sentence, you are using involve and not a synonym. Okay, use the word of the day. Antonyms are the opposite words, the opposite meaning, the opposite definition of the word that you are seeing. In this case, the antonym or the opposite of involve is exclude. Exclude. Let's go over the first definition and we'll check an example. Involved, used as a verb, defined is if a situation, an event, or an activity involves something, that thing is an important or necessary part or result of it. Let's look at an example. Contemporary young adult novels typically involve a teenage protagonist, teen issues, and the first person point of view. So in this case here, involve means that there's some important pieces or parts to a young adult novel that are needed or required to make it first a novel and also addressed for young adults. Okay, in this case, in order to be a novel, fiction, it has to have a protagonist, it has to have an issue or conflict, and point of view. But these parts of a novel involve a young adult audience. For example, the protagonist has to be a teenager, a young person. The conflicts have to be issues that teens understand, involve teenagers, and involve young adults. Okay? And it has to be mostly from the first person point of view. Some examples are The Book Thief, The Golden Compass, Twilight, Harry Potter. All those are examples of young adult novels that involve protagonists, issues, point of views, perspectives, settings for teenagers, for youngs. Second definition of involve, also used as a verb, means if a situation, an event, or an activity involves somebody or something. Notice here, somebody or something. They take part in it or are affected by it. Now somebody gets involved, takes part in the action, or is affected by the action. For example, Awod videos involve students repeating the academic word's pronunciation. So you as a student are involved, okay, involve yourself in watching this video in studying the Awod, but in also pronouncing the word. So this is how you are involved in watching the Awod videos. Okay, so the videos involve you, okay, somebody, to take part in watching the video, pronouncing the words, okay, studying them, knowing the definitions. All right, my dear English 2 students, this has been your academic word of the day. Once more, the word is involve. Go ahead and complete your flashcard. Make sure that you write your own original sentence, and it has to be a sentence about you that involves you. Create a visual in the front, and on the back side of your flashcard, copy today's sentence. In this case, level 2 sentence of the day. Have a great time studying. Until next time.